So I thought, ooh, might have a bit of a problem getting the tiles off the wall without damaging the walls too much. Well, let me just have a look. Oh. 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 Wow. Okay, well, maybe it won't be such a task. Interesting. Hi, welcome to Help We Bought a Bungalow. So it's now mid-July, and I just thought I'd put an update on, show you what's going on. So let's have a look. Well, Julie painted all the fence, so a lot of fencing, and it's all now grey, so it's all been done. The decking has been scrubbed again. A lot of work from Julie. Let's have a look what's going on inside the house. Well, nothing in the conservatory stroke workshop. We've managed to get rid of all the furniture that was left behind in the house, so this wall's been prepped pretty much. Ready for some decoration. Coming through, again, I can't remember how far forward we were, but this room's not been touched very much in the last few weeks. Taking the shower off, disconnected the power from there. Nothing in this room. Biggest, really, is in here, in the kitchen diner. So I'm in the process actually of overboarding. Well, no, I'm not overboarding. Reboarding. I've taken all the ceiling down and then reboarding it. I also took the opportunity to use some superfoil insulation, which has been air gapped and everything. And I was in the loft yesterday and it's absolutely boiling in there. It's not too bad down here, so it's doing its job. It's reflecting the heat back. Hopefully warm in the summer. Julie and I put the boards up, which was a struggle. But we did it. They're up. Just a little bit to finish off. Big change, as you can see, new consumer unit. So that's been fitted. So it's also got latest regs, surge protection, all that nonsense. So that's all been done. And any rewiring that's needed doing has been done. I don't remember if I showed you taking all the wooden steps and everything away from the front. These are actually the those things for the fencing. When we took the fence down that was in the middle here, they're so heavy. I just thought, oh, I'll just use them as a thing. That's a big spider we've got in the orchard. It's got its egg sac there. Don't worry, I ain't gonna pest you. I don't care. I don't mind spiders unless they're too ginormous. Yeah. Again, because we've had the consumer unit fitted, we've had isolator fitted. That's this thing here. So that's been fitted so it can isolate the power. Leave this open because I need to read the meters. So that's kind of where we are at the minute. There's been, as you can see, a bit of wall chasing, cables moved around, light switches added into the circuits. So that's where we stand. So I'm going to just get on, finish boarding out the roof, and then sort the dining bit out, fit the radiator, pull the rest of the kitchen out. Well, again, you can see that most of the kitchen's been ripped now, so all the wall units have gone. Quite obviously, the oven's gone, the freezer's gone. Everything's there really now just for our convenience. And again, all the wall unit and everything's been taken away, been given away. People have come and collected that and taken it, so that's great for us. Yeah, and for them, they liked it. So, slowly, getting on with it, and we'll keep you updated. So stay tuned for our next one. Please, if you feel so inclined, like and subscribe if you'd like to see where we are. And it's, of course, it's Help, I Bought a Bungalow. Well, next on Channel 4, there's a new programme called Help, We Bought a Hotel. So I think they're pinching my my taglines there. Anyway, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.